Video, I would like to explain how to use the TI84 calculator to get the least squares regression line. This example focuses on the relationship between the age of the car and the selling price. So in this example, our age of the car is going to be our input and the selling price is going to be the output. Now on the TI84 calculator, you click on Start, Edit, then you can plug in the information. So the L1 is going to be the input, which is this, and the Y is going to be the output, which is going to be L2. Now let's plug in the information. Here we have L1 to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And also for the L2, we have that to be 28, 24, 22, 19, 16, 14, 12, and 9. Then the next thing to do is to get a regression line. Don't forget that a regression line is of the form y equals to a plus bx. The b is the slope. The a is our intercept, or otherwise you can call it the constant. The x is the input, so the x will be used for the prediction, and the y is going to be the output, which is the same thing as our response. Now we want to get the regression line using the format. We click on Start, then click on Calculate. Come down to number 8, which is Line Reg a plus bx. If you look at this, a plus bx is the same thing as this format, but if you click on number 4, it is different format entirely, but it's still the same, but it's quite different. So don't click on number 4, click on number 8. Then x list is going to be the L1, the y list is going to be the L2. Then we can calculate. Now here we have our a to be 29.7 and b to be negative 2.6. So the regression line is going to be 29.786 approximately minus 2.619x. This is the slope regression equation. This is the slope. This shows that the price will be decreasing anytime x is increasing. Alternatively, it means the increase in the number of years of the car will make what? Will give you the decrease in the selling price. So if you want to interpret this, means for every unit increase in the age of the car, then the price of the car will decrease by what? 2.619. Or alternatively, you can say 261.9%. So that is going to be the decrease in the price of the car. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.